Introducing the Walkie Talkie GPS ID 0024G. The GPS ID 0024G is simple and easy to use. Let's explore the buttons. So friends, now I am going to tell you, how can we use this ID card to communicate with our colleagues, our friends, our kids, or our people who is living in abroad, or few people who are working in factories where mobile phones are not allowed. So if you want to communicate, pass any message using the intercom to the workers in a factory. So now see, this message is going to deliver to my all factory people. Come to the conference room. We have to take urgent meeting with them.
Is going to deliver to my home factory people. Come to the conference room. We have to take urgent meeting with them.
So now you have seen that I just pressed this button and I recorded my voice. And Simon, the same voice is moving across anywhere. There is no limitation of SIM card or anything, while my message is transferred to the other device. So immediately, it will give you some response. Like, I'm going to lift this up now. So there's a wipe. A sound will appear, and it symbolizes that I have delivered my message successfully to the other tracker. Just have a look.
And I recorded my voice. And I will definitely get the same voice moving across anywhere. There's no limitation of card and everything. When my message is transferred to the other device, so immediately it will give you the response. Like, I'm going to lift this out now. So there's a white sound will come here, and it symbolize that I have delivered my message successfully to the other guy.